And today we're going to be talking about how to earn over $3,712 daily with AI. And I'm going to show you how you can get into a system with over 130 step-by-step video trainings that you can watch right now. And I'm even going to show you how to start making sales with this system with content that I've already created for you. And I'm going to show you how you can automate this entire process so you don't even have to sell anything. I'll go and do all the selling for you. So if you have no idea what I'm talking about, you're brand new here, don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to get set up right now. And this system's really, really cool, again, because you can get started today with AI video, and you can use a tool like ShineRanker right now for just $1. We have a $1 trial. You can try it out. You can see what you think. And I'm going to show you the whole process here. If you like it, you can go ahead and go to the link below this video and get this tool for $1 and try it out. So let's talk about what this system actually does. So first of all, ShineRanker is an AI tool that helps you find viral topics. It helps you create content. We have ChatGPT integrated into it, so you don't actually have to go and pay for ChatGPT on a different website. We have a lot of really cool features in here, along with the full step-by-step checklist and resources and content and tools. We have so much in here. And again, you can just get started for $1. But what we're going to be talking about specifically today is this AI video tool we've been really focusing on. So this tool basically allows you to generate content with AI avatars. And let me show you just what one of these videos looks like really quick. We're going to show you one of the videos we've already posted on our own Instagram. Let's go to this one. You can see it got 1,422 views. And if I click on it, you can listen to it here.
You need to try right now. The first website is Midjourney. Midjourney enables the generation of AI images of any imaginable concept. The second website is Hugging Face text to video synthesis. Hugging Face can create any AI video you envision. The third website is Radar.io. Radar allows bulk scheduling of content on social media. The fourth website is ShineRanker. ShineRanker utilizes AI to produce bulk video content similar to the video you are currently viewing. The fifth website is ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is a US-based AI software company that develops advanced text-to-speech technology with a focus on natural-sounding speech synthesis. If you want the full list for free, just reply with the word yes right now.
So what we're doing is we're taking like an AI avatar like this, we're loading them up with a pre-made voice, and then we're generating all of this in just a couple seconds. I'll show you how to generate this with ShineRanker, but look at this. All these people responding with the word yes because they want access to our checklist, they want access to our stuff. We actually have an automation sequence going out that's getting them into our website, and then we have a follow-up sequence that's selling them on this tool. Now, the best part about this is you're like probably thinking, well, what does this have to do with me? This is your tool. We actually give you a 40% reoccurring commission if you would like to go and sell ShineRanker with this sequence, okay? Now, obviously, that's optional. If you want to go and sell your own products, you can use this system for that as well. But I just want to show you how easy it is to get started selling ShineRanker. And I want to show you some people that are already selling this tool right now and earning commissions with it within a very short amount of time, okay? So let me just show you really quickly how this tool actually works. If I go to the video generator tool, it will allow me to go and upload a list of websites, okay? So here I have a list of about 5 websites. If I click on view, I can see what's actually in the spreadsheet. And this is what it looks like. Here we go. We got these 5 websites here, okay? Now, if I don't have a list of websites, I can go to the checklist inside of ShineRanker and I can use these tools. I can use any of the tools inside of this checklist, okay? And there's over 400 AI tools inside of this checklist that you can choose from. There's also another feature inside of ShineRanker. If I go back to AI video tools here, click on Web Scraper, this will actually allow me to go and generate a list of AI tools as well. If I click on Scrape, this will go to Google, find a bunch of AI tools. It'll give me over 50 of whatever the websites are that I search for, and then it'll actually give me a downloadable checklist that I can go and just upload into this other tool, okay? But either way, once we have a checklist, we just add it in there. Then we select how many videos we want. Let's say we want 5 videos at a time. If we want subtitles, we can click on Enable Subtitles. If we want ChatGPT to go and rewrite the script for these videos, we can do that. And then we can choose a pre-made voice, or you can see that it says name test here. This is, we're actually testing our own voice. We can upload a cloned version of our own voice in here as well. But let's just use a pre-made voice for now. We'll use this one. And then what we're going to do is just click on generate. Okay. So now what ShineRanker is going to do is it's going to go generate us 5 videos. And the way this works, by the way, what ShineRanker is going and doing is it's taking 5 of those websites at random from that list. So we have 5 websites, but we could have uploaded a list of 100 websites. It'll take 5 at random. So let's say this one, then this one, then this one, then this one, and it'll randomize videos for us. So it's all unique content. So that way we can schedule content like this out on social media. Now the next feature we can do in here, because again, right now, the first video that gets outputted is just going to be a simple website video like this without an intro or outro. So it'll just say top websites, right? Here's what it sounds like.
The first website is Linking Professionals. LinkedIn is the premier professional.
So obviously I could just go upload it straight like that. But if I wanted an intro and outro, I could click on intro and outro, select a voice. We'll do the same pre-made voice here. Actually, I think it was this one. And then I can select an image. So if I want to go click on change here, I can select a image that I would like to turn into a video. And then this will take an avatar, or it could take a picture of me as well. And it will actually turn that into a talking video. And I can customize my intro and my outro text here. Okay. So if I put all this together, what will happen is I'll get a video that looks like this, the one I just showed you a second ago, or like this.
Here is the file.
And I can just get all these videos with my call to action in this video. So then I can go sell whatever I want, right? And some of these videos will get, a few thousand. Some of them will get tens of thousands. We've had, look at that one got 2,500. This one got 38,000. That one got 17,000.
These websites.
These videos work actually pretty well and they get a lot of leads. Now, this is just the first part of the equation, right? Just generating the content. And some of the features we're adding into ShineRanker are going to help you do this at an even larger scale. But again, you can see how cool this is. We're just automatically generating these videos in just a couple seconds. This would normally take hours to do if you were to go and clone the voice, do the text to speech, add the videos, do the screen recordings, edit them in CapCut. And now we're able to just do this in a couple seconds. And we can even download this spreadsheet here with all of the different dates here. So I could go and say, okay, I want the first one scheduled for the 17th, the next one scheduled for the 18th, and then the 19th. I can put my titles and captions. I can click on download, and I can actually import all of these into a social scheduling tool in a few seconds. And I can have hundreds of videos like this scheduled out every single day. So step number 1 is really just generating the content, right? And obviously you're going to need ShineRanker to be able to do this. And if you want ShineRanker, get started today for $1. So go to the link below this video, go get the $1 trial. But you're going to go generate the content after you get ShineRanker. Then what you're going to do is you're going to schedule it out. So we're using a tool called Radar for this. And we've built ShineRanker to really work well with this tool. If we go to Radar and click on publishing here, and then I click on this little button here, I can click on import, and these are all red, by the way, because there's a few profiles that weren't connected correctly. So like, look, it's just this one profile. All these other ones, you can see they did work. But if one profile doesn't work, it'll say every one didn't work. But I can just show you right here what one of these posts looks like. So this is a post that we made, and we posted on this profile, and then we posted on another profile, and then we posted on another profile. So we have like, tons and tons of different profiles that we're posting to automatically, okay? And so what I can do is I can click on the schedule button, I can click on import, and then I can actually just drag that export I got from ShineRanker into here, and I can schedule out all this content right now between tons of different platforms. And look at this, they'll all get imported into the account and automatically scheduled, okay? Now this is just the kind of the start here, because yeah, the AI generated content is cool, but what if I even gave you on top of this viral content that you can just go post that's already proven to work with content that I've already made personally? I've manually created the content, okay? Now, by the way, if you don't know how to do this stuff, you're like, Chase, hold on, I need to see this whole tutorial for Radar. All of this is inside the checklist in ShineRanker. When you get the $1 trial and you click on the ShineRanker VIP right here, just go through the checklist. We have videos showing you step by step everything you need to do, how to set up the social posting, how to grab the content, everything, okay? And I'm adding to this checklist constantly. There's like 130 videos in here. And if 130 videos overwhelms you, you can just click on the fast track and you can watch the simple way to do this as well. Alternatively as well, if you don't even want to learn this, we have a service. If you go to dfysetup.com, we'll actually just go set all this stuff up for you. We'll automate the whole system. We'll import all the content into your account. We'll get everything running. And I want to actually show you just really quickly somebody that got the DFY setup, and they sent me a message. They got it like a week ago, and they're getting thousands and thousands of views already. And all we're doing is just importing content into their account. So the cool thing about the system is it's already proven to work. We're seeing people use it and they're getting views. I'm trying to find this profile here so I can show you this really quick. It's in my other screen here. I'm not sure where it went. Somewhere around here. Let me see if I can find it. Well, while I'm looking for that, let me go ahead and just write this whole system down for you so you can see this. So you're getting the $1 trial. You're generating some content. You're scheduling it out on Radar. And then we have another tool that we're using, and this is really, really cool. We're using this other tool to go and respond to all of the comments, okay? So when the comments start rolling in, and I just found this Facebook profile, by the way, I'll show you in 1 second here. I got it right on my other screen. Here it is. But when we schedule out all of the content, we use another tool called ManyChat, where we actually will automatically respond and DM anybody that comments on our post. So check this out. If I go to my automations here inside this tool, and I look at, let's just say, all of my Instagram comments, anytime somebody comments on one of my posts from my automated posts, and they say they're interested or they want to learn more, this tool will actually automatically respond to those people. So look at this. If I click on this here, anybody that said the word yes, it says, hey, it's Chase. I sent you a DM. You can also find the link in my bio. So this is a bot. And then the bot will actually go and automatically DM them as well with the links. You can see here, go check out the full training. And then it takes them to the opt-in page, which even this is automated as well. Now, you might be thinking, well, again, what does that have to do with me? We can swap this out with your affiliate links, and you can promote the exact same funnel and get 40% reoccurring commissions on this. And I'll show you how. So let me just show you this Facebook profile. This is somebody that got our content set up, and you can't see on the desktop site, but if you go look at this profile on the on your phone, you'll be able to see the views. And some of these videos are getting thousands and thousands of views with a brand new profile, only 33 followers, and it's getting leads just reposting our content that we've already created for you. So here's the cool thing. You don't just have to generate content with ShineRanker. I've already spent years building content for you so that you can just go and schedule it out to your accounts. Look at this video, got I think a few thousand views. This person said yes, this person said yes. And then look, this person that we set up is responding automatically with their affiliate link going to this homepage. But what happens is when somebody goes and signs up to learn more about ShineRanker, right? They get credited when that person signs up. When they go to ShineRanker, learn about how all this works, they click on the Get ShineRanker for just $1 and they sign up. The person that got the lead gets credited 40% reoccurring commissions, okay? And so if you don't believe me, check out our Discord group. We have people posting in here right now. This guy just said right here, look at this. Just got my first payout. $58. Thanks, Chase. Now, the way that you start making a ton of money with this, though, is you start stacking it, right? Right now, we're getting tons of people signing up every single day. I think we're getting, I don't know, close to 20 to 30 new signups every single day for the $1 trial. It might even be more. I think yesterday might have been 40. And if you think about what that actually means, that's 97 times 40, $3,880 every single day being added in reoccurring when these people's 14-day trial ends, okay? And so if you're getting 40% of that, that is $1,552 being added in daily that you're going to basically earn money with. So this system's really, really cool because you're able to promote something for just $1 And you can give them access to everything. Anybody that signs up, they get access to all this stuff. And what's even cooler again is look, on the back end, I have all of the follow-up automated for you. You just have to push them to the home page. I got all these email sequences that get sent out to the people that sign up for the $1 trial, or when they go to learn more about ShineRanker. Check this out. I'm doing videos like this for you. I'm sending all these emails out for you. I'm literally doing all the closing for you. So all you have to do is get the accounts running with the content, do some AI generated content with ShineRanker, go through the checklist, and you can start promoting this for $1, and I'll do everything else for you. Okay. So how does this work again? You get the $1 trial, you generate some content, or you import our content. And that's, again, what we're working on right now is just getting inside of this checklist. We're loading up all these posts for you so you can just go and take content that's already proven to go viral. Look at this, 379 comments on this post. And so we can load this type of content into your account, and then we can set up ManyChat to automatically respond to everybody with your affiliate link. And then when they go to our funnel, they get put into our automations, and then I actually go and close that traffic for you, okay? So you can get started with all of this literally just for $1 today if you want to do it yourself. If you want it done free, you'd go to dfysetup.com. So hopefully that makes sense. If it doesn't, feel free to join our free Discord group. I'll leave a link as well in the comments so you can go grab access to our free Discord group. We also have a free Facebook group. But that's pretty much how the whole system works. Again, I can't wait to see you in here. For just $1, you can get started right now. Go to the link below, and I'll see you inside. Until next time, happy money making.